So you have 2004 Seat Leon and you want to open the hood because the hood latch is broke. You can do one thing is sliding something inside and try to pull or push the latch inside the metal one, as you can see, this one. But if it's broke, you can do what? Slide your finger and then pull it like this. You can see now it's not pulling, okay? Because you put it down. Don't put it down, bring it. Let me show you. It's a little bit hard, so you need to focus. Let me see. Or look, you can pull the whole assembly. Just pull the whole thing. You see, when you pull the whole thing, you can, and then go up with the. Yep. Now you can open it. It's a little bit hard, but you have to do it. Unfortunately, I don't have the pistons. I can't leave the hood now. We're working with this project, so it's simple. Just put it like this. Hold the whole assembly. You'll be fine.